Hello friends, if you are looking for a perfect application for scanning documents, in this video I will show you the 3 most popular applications that you may find in the Play Store and one inbuilt application that you already have. So don't capture documents from camera application, rather use scanner application for that, because they provide you options to clear images, enhance text, edit text with optical character recognition, and finally you may save the documents at PDF and you may share. Even if you take the printout, it will be absolutely crisp and clear. In this way, you can save the cost for scanning without any special hardware requirement. You only need 5 to 8 megapixel camera, otherwise picture will be little bit hazy. So let's find out.